Hey people, so we are at this place called Spicy Vada Pav. This is at the metro station, and I used to take a bite of this. Yeah,
Goli soda.
yeah.
Always
Fine.
it's the best.
Let me take a sip of that.
We made on earth.
How are we, mother and son? Yeah.
Hot.
Take a bite, no, Shona. Still. Spicy vada pav.
Very nice.
Yeah. So should I order one for you?
No, I'm not hungry.
So this is just for $35, and that is 30. No, this is 39, and that is 35. So for 74, it's quite a filling snack, so to speak. And yeah, this is at the Hyderabad metro station, and I'm so glad we are here. One more bite, Ayush. That is a funny shot. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.